All right, Liddy. Liddy, you want to make coffee? Nope. Grab this one right here.
Did she open it?
Yeah. Put it in.
It's not open like that.
Lily, open it up. Shut it. Lily, put the coffee cup there. Put the coffee cup under.
Don't touch.
Yes, ma'am.
Yay! Watch your hands. Put your hands down.
Lily, did you make coffee? Lily, high five. Yes.
Don't touch it, Lily.
Good job, Lily. High five. Yes.